Here I have a very nice, I do believe some kind of repair manual or parts manual. It's Wisconsin air cooled, so instructions and part list. But pretty nice little book here. We'll go through this and kind of get an idea. Yeah. Pretty cool little book. If you're interested, make me an offer. As you can see by checking our feedback and everything, and you can see that we accept a lot of offers. So we ain't afraid. You can make us a reasonable offer, and more than likely we'll take it. So it ain't mint or nothing like that, but it's a very nice magazine. Check out our other honors. We do accept offers.